Welcome, it's T-Rex, and I'm showing you how I built my latest special needs device. This video is sponsored by JLCPCB, who will be providing us with more PCBs. I started in the 90s when I built two assistive communication devices for two special needs children. After receiving my PCBs from JLCPCB, I began populating them with parts from Adafruit. I then started programming in CircuitPython, and before you knew it, I was getting lights, camera, and action. Well, no camera. So lights, sound, and vibrations. But hey, that's good. We used Fusion 360 throughout the process, enabling us to have great plastics for both the case and the PCB holding. I started wiring an 18650 battery in and made sure everything was right, and it's a good thing I did because it wasn't. Lessons learned, second set of PCBs ordered, and it became time to start final assembly. Put in actual code instead of just template mock-ups. And then shipped it for victory.